Alright, welcome back to the second part of this tutorial. In this second part we are going to tackle the importance of topic sentences, as you can see in the file title. Now, I've used as material, let's say, this possible title, the advantages and disadvantages of relying only on exam results. Of course, in this task, the student is asked to comment on both sides of the matter, therefore positive and negatives. And here I jotted down a very short paragraph on the advantages of, relying only on exam results. Now, as you can see here, the first part is omitted, and this was supposed to be, let's say, the introduction. So the very first paragraph is the one that you can read here. So let's have a look at it. On the one hand, final grade should depend entirely on exam results. First of all, students are aware from the very beginning how important the results will be for their future. In addition, teachers have a standard method for grading students. Now, this paragraph shows exactly how you are supposed to deal with this type of task. First of all, the very first sentence here is called topic sentence. And it's called topic sentence because it tells the reader what the paragraph is going to be about. It is, let's say, the introduction of the paragraph, if you want to put it that way. Following the topic sentence, you see that you have a list which is marked by these markers, first of all, and in addition, which basically brings up examples that support the topic sentence. So, it is a good idea that final grade should depend entirely on exam results. And why is that? Well, there are two reasons. The first one is that students are aware from the very beginning how important the results will be. And the second reason is going to be from the teacher's perspective, because they are going to have a standard method for grading students. Now, in such a short paragraph, you can see that we have three types of discourse markers. One is embedded in the very topic sentence, sorry, and we have on the one hand, why the author decided to use this one? Well, it was quite a smart move. First of all, you are introducing one side of the matter, and by using on the one hand, you are giving this feeling that there is going to be also a on the other hand, therefore stressing the opposition between two views. Then, as we have already discussed, the second marker, first of all, and the third one in addition, these ones work as part of the listing, which include the examples that are going to support the topic sentence. I hope this was clear enough. Again, if you have questions, contact me. Please, I want to stress one more time the importance of discourse markers, because as you can see, they can work for your own good, meaning that they are going to make your text more clear and more readable. And at the same time, they are also going to improve the organizational aspect of your writing, which are all points taken into consideration when grading your text. Again, have a nice day everybody, and thank you for listening.